in 2022. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what we're at. We hit the all-time high last. Holy shit, that's a big difference. Okay, hold on a second here. So you're telling me on the last day of the year, we had 1.9 trillion in demand. 1.9 trillion. The previous day prior to that, the 30th, we were at 1.696 trillion. And what this is, this money, in a nutshell, to combat inflation and to also earn free money on the money they already have, they park their cash with the Fed on a daily basis and earn a 0.05% rate on it. The counterparties, money market funds, insurance companies, pension funds, all that good shit. Now, the swing, 1696 to 1904, back down to 1579. What the hell is this shit? I mean, what doing? 76 counterparties, down from 103 the last day of the year. Something's not right. There's crime going on, obviously. Just wonder what it is. But anyways, down significantly today for the repo. 300 and some odd billion. That's your first day of the year. 1579, way down from the last day of the year last year. Have a good one.